Here's some art representing trauma trivia. Subscribe. Which artist created the Guernica painting? Is it A. Claude Monet, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Vincent van Gogh, or D. Salvador Dali? The correct answer is B. Pablo Picasso. What type of installation did Doris Salcedo create to represent loss? Is it A. the bridge, B. the letter, C. the wave, or D. shibboleth? The correct answer is D. shibboleth. Which photographic series by Richard Avedon focused on trauma? Is it A. Fashion in Focus, B. In the American West, C. Backstage Portraits, or D. Portraits of Power? The correct answer is B. In the American West. What is the name of the tape installation focusing on pain by Anne Hamilton? Is it A. Soft Whispers, B. The Event of a Thread, C. Broken Threads, or D. Silent Echoes? The correct answer is B. The Event of a Thread. What installation by Hito Steyerl comments on digital trauma? Is it A. Digital Mirage, B. Virtual Insanity, C. How Not to Be Seen, or D. The Next Internet? The correct answer is C. How Not to Be Seen. Which iconic photograph by Nick Ut captures the effects of war? Is it A. Silent Scream, B. Tank Assault, C. War's Aftermath, or D. Napalm Girl? The correct answer is D. Napalm Girl. What painting by Otto Dix explores the horror of World War I? Is it A. Trench Nightmare, B. Battlefield Dreaming, C. War-Torn Souls, or D. The War? The correct answer is D. The War. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.